Can the price of Aptos go to $100? Obviously, in the past couple of days, the past month has been absolutely interesting for the price of APT because we have seen a lot of buying volume and a lot of interest, and a lot of people are wondering whether APT is a good investment, whether the price of APT is going to do a 10x, and if the price of Aptos is going to end up going to $100. In today's episode, we are going to be doing a little bit of technical analysis as far as APT is concerned, because there's a lot of price action that is very important, and there's a lot of data that I want to decipher. So buckle up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let's get this thing rolling. So first of all, APT has really been making a statement, one hell of a statement, because as you can see right over here on Binance, APT is the ninth highly traded cryptocurrency in terms of volume. Volume precedes price action. So when you see a project have a lot of volume, meaning there's a lot of general interest, meaning there's a lot of demand. Either the demand for buying it or the demand for selling it is really at all-time high. But in this particular case, the buying power, the buying volume is on peak demand as far as APT is concerned. Getting back to our initial question, can the price of Aptos APT go to $100? Let's take a look at the statistics. First of all, the fully diluted valuation, which is obviously always higher than the market cap, is at 11.3 billion US dollars in comparison to the market cap, which is around 5.2 billion US dollars. So if the market cap of Aptos had to do a 10x, it would probably be around 50 billion US dollars, which is absolutely feasible. And the fully diluted market valuation would be around 110 billion US dollars, which is absolutely possible, and there's a lot of projects that are way much more expensive than that at the current moment. So we're obviously going to be having a super cycle, a super mega bull run, due to the fact that there's going to be a lot of demand. The cryptocurrency markets in general are maturing, and the markets are going to do a lot of appreciation in terms of price. So Aptos going to $100 is absolutely in the realm of possibilities, and this is one of the reasons why, if we take a look at the price trajectory, right, we are already on our path to $100. Let me explain. First of all, let's try and figure out where the POC is ever since we had this dramatic drop. Okay, so since that particular drop, right, at the moment we are currently dealing with a POC. These current prices, take a look at the highest volume node. The highest volume node, when it comes to the sell-off of this particular price trajectory towards the downside, was around this particular level. Okay, so we obviously ended up dropping as low as, what's this price point right over here, $4.36, isn't it? But ever since we dropped here, buying power has been coming through, and at the moment we are on the last line of defense as far as the bears are concerned. Aptos bears are obviously, looming right over here. This is where they are, and this is where there is a lot of resistance, because the POC, as indicated by the white line right over here, is clearly stated right there. So this is one of the reasons why I really believe that ever since we sort of started mingling with the this bearish order block right over here, the POC, the point of control, because I'm looking at this tiny minute doji right over here, this candle, this one right over here, this is the one that I'm absolutely interested in. Okay, because it holds the future of Aptos, and at the moment we are beginning to use it as support. So let's go to a lower time frame. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame, and you guys are going to be able to see what I'm talking about. Okay, so We obviously had initial rejection right over here. Look, we pushed into the point of supply, or rather the point of control. We got rejected. Boom, came back down, pushed above it, got that liquidity on top. This was a very good W. It was a very good win right over here. You know, pushing above liquidity was a very good win. And we obviously ended up grabbing that particular liquidity to the bottom as well. So due to the fact that we had destroyed the resistance, the point of control, all that liquidity was grabbed and we faced a high sell-off, right over here marks the exit of smart money keeping us down. These guys obviously got defeated, and this particular POC is no longer effective. All right. So right now we are above the the POC, and we broke out decisively. Decisively. You know, take a look at where the price is obviously trying to find the next level of support ever since we broke the POC. Take a look at this bearish candle right over here. It's a very important candle because sooner or later the price of APT is obviously going to come back down to this particular level. So let me change the color to green so that you have an understanding of what I mean. Okay, so this candle is going to be very, very important as far as finding support is concerned. So in the near future, sooner than later, the price of APT is going to come back down to about $9.37. And this is where you're supposed to go buku ham when it comes to purchasing APT, because I really believe this is going to be the fairest value before the price of APT goes to $100. That, ladies and gentlemen, was a classic technical analysis breakdown as far as smart money is concerned, as far as understanding who holds, you know, a better hedge when it comes to these markets. That's how you decipher a move. Now, a lot of you might be wondering, hey, Mona, why don't you want to sort of talk about the bottom? Well, the bottom has already happened. This trajectory, as far as the price is concerned, has already played out. This has already played out. What you have to look at is the future obstacles. Imagine you're trying to defeat a country. You know, you have to look at the borders. You have to look at the point of control, which happens to be the borders. And you can only look forward to defeating the borders if you are heading in that direction. So right now, our direction is 17 cents, or rather $17, this previous all-time high. So what obstacles did we have after having this price action? Number one, we've got this level. We also have another level. We also have another level in the future. So this is one of the reasons why I'm saying, okay, this price action has already played out. And to me, the smart money was looming right over here and they got destroyed. So that is obviously defeated, and it's time to sort of move to the next level of interest. And this is one of the reasons why, if we go on a smaller time frame, I was showing you this amazing candle right over here. So let me show you with an arrow. Okay, so this candle right over here was very, very important. So boom, and then I have to move it. This one, do you guys see it? Yeah, so those were the two smart money candles that you had to keep an eye on and look at. So they are both defeated, and it's very important for us to sort of take a look at those next levels and just basically keep it moving. So anyhow, that was the breakdown that I had for you guys. In case you are interested in sort of being part of my trading group, all the links are in the description box below. I'm going to make you a professional trader. Just the way that I broke it down was so easy. Anybody can figure out what the next price action is going to be. So if you enjoyed this, basic analysis, please hit me up. The link is obviously in the description box below, and you guys are going to make a lot of money, and you guys are going to end up, retiring extremely filthy wealthy. So yeah, that's all I had for you as far as Aptos is concerned. To me, Aptos is definitely going to go to $100 and more. So yeah, subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the like button right about now. Support your boy, and smash the like button. Yeah, so I'll talk to you guys a little bit later. Bye.